one power connector, optical drive, hard drive, and the big power connector for the motherboard itself. It's gonna be a bugger. I might have to cut this part out. Be back in a second. Okay, I finally got the power supply out. And man, is it really dusty in here. Didn't realize how bad it was. Plus I also had the side panel on, and that did a lot of the damage. But what I like to do is keep the side panel off for better airflow, but since my graphics card kept getting hot, I needed something to keep the fan